The moment the toothpicks fell, the man immediately calculated there were 246 pieces. Tom didn't believe his older brother could calculate so quickly. A box of toothpicks contains 250 pieces. The waiter saw there were 4 pieces left in the toothpick box. So the toothpicks that fell on the ground were exactly 246 pieces. Tom was very shocked after hearing this. Could his autistic older brother have extraordinary calculating abilities? Tom decided to test his older brother. He shuffled a deck of cards, kept a few cards in his hand, and spread out the remaining cards, asking Dustin to figure out what cards he was holding. Unexpectedly, after looking for only 2 seconds, Dustin immediately deduced all the cards in Tom's hand. Tom was secretly delighted when his older brother guessed all of them correctly. It seemed his autistic older brother might be a genius, so Tom brought his older brother to the hospital for an intelligence test. The doctor heard that Dustin was sensitive to numbers and directly asked him what 4,343 multiplied by 1,234 equals. Unexpectedly, Dustin instantly gave the answer 5,359,262. The result was completely correct. The doctor was stunned after hearing this. This calculating ability was beyond ordinary people. The doctor deliberately posed a difficult problem asking what the square root of 2,130 is. However, before the doctor finished pressing the calculator, Dustin had already given the answer 46.15192304, accurate to 8 decimal places, exactly matching the calculator's result. The doctor determined that Dustin was a mathematical genius. Tom decided to use his older brother's extraordinary calculating ability to make a fortune at the casino. To successfully enter the casino, the two brothers dressed up carefully, putting on suits. They swaggered into the casino. After Dustin sat down, he began memorizing every card the dealer dealt. Soon, Dustin could predict the probability of the dealer's card distribution. In this round, Tom's cards were a 4 and a 6. Just as he was about to fold, Dustin told him to raise the bet because he had calculated there was a 90% chance probability the next card would be a face card. After hearing this, Tom doubled his bet with some skepticism. Unexpectedly, it really was a face card, the Queen. Tom won double the chips and was very happy. As the dealer dealt more rounds, Dustin had memorized the order of all the cards. He could now completely predict what the next card the dealer would deal would be. Tom followed his older brother's instructions and made a fortune. The two brothers became the focus of the casino. The surrounding spectators thought their luck was too good and applauded for them. The two won so much that they attracted the attention of the casino manager. The manager suspected them of cheating and called for technicians to review the surveillance footage. The technicians repeatedly watched the surveillance replay and saw that the two hadn't even touched the cards, finding no abnormalities. They didn't know that Dustin could guess every card the dealer was dealing. Tom noticed the casino was watching them. The two brothers decided to quit while they were ahead and quickly left with 30 million, successfully escaping.